You don't just sleep. You undergo nightly emotional demolition. Then you rebuild yourself in 47 different dream worlds. Also, yes, the pajama thing is a metaphor, mostly. Welcome to your brain's daily group therapy session. Close your eyes, the lights go out. But inside, the party just started. Your brain doesn't shut down. It switches to maintenance mode. Think of it as a late-night cleaning crew, but instead of mopping floors, they're sorting through your emotional trash. This process kicks into high gear during REM sleep. Rapid eye movement. Your eyes dart around like you're watching a movie directed by a caffeinated squirrel. But your body, locked down. Paralyzed, actually. Evolution did that so you don't act out your dreams and accidentally fight your cat. Here's the juicy part. During REM, your brain takes the day's emotional hits and files them away. It's like hitting save on a video game, but for your feelings. Stress, faded. That awkward thing you said back in 1900. Okay, fine, 1998. Still there. Sorry. And then there's the pajama dream. You know the one. You show up to a job interview, a math test, or a funeral wearing nothing but flannel footy pajamas. Your brain is literally rehearsing vulnerability. It's testing your social armor. Or maybe it just thinks flannel is comfy. But here's the catch. Why does this happen? Because your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, goes on a wild night shift. It processes fear, anxiety, and joy. It strips away the raw emotional charge so you can remember the event without feeling like you're reliving it. Without this nightly therapy, you'd carry every cringe, every win, every weird interaction like a heavy backpack. Sleep lightens the load. It's not escapism. It's emotional exfoliation. You wake up softer, lighter, ready to pretend you're an adult again. Scientists have been tracking these cycles since the year 1900. Back then, they just thought sleep was downtime. Now we know it's where your brain stitches your identity back together, one micro-narrative at a time. So next time you dream about flying, being chased, or finally finding a matching sock, don't panic. Your brain is just doing its job, processing, letting go, maybe even laughing at your life choices in a gentle way. The real question is, why do we fight it? Scroll until our eyes burn, chasing sleep like it's a limited time offer. Your brain is begging you to hand over control, to trust the dark, to let the demolition crew work. So close your eyes. Let the pillows do the heavy lifting. You've earned this nightly reset. Tomorrow you'll face the world with a freshly updated operating system and maybe slightly less flannel anxiety. Sleep well. Dream weird. And if you do show up to work in pajamas, just own it. See you in the next one.